Back. So in order to start working with the Postgres database on our backend, what we're going to try and do is install Docker to kind of run this database. Now let me just try and jump into a blog post right here. This vanago.io is an amazing blog post. Everybody who wants to work with NestJS should jump to this post and just start reading every one of these blogs. There's so many great things you can get from this post. So I just want to do a shout out. Go and check it out. It's amazing. And he keeps updating these. This is the new one, the number 30 right here, about scalar types in GraphQL. Crazy stuff. Amazing articles. Go and check them out. We are going to try and actually use one of these articles to get up and running with Postgres. Now we'll focus on this guide right here, setting up Postgres database with type ORM. And first, in order to do this, we need to have some kind of place to have a database server, right? Now we could go and create one on Heroku or anywhere in the cloud and start using that one. But instead what we're going to do is we're going to use something called Docker so we can run a local database server where our Postgres can actually run in. Now what is Docker? Let's try and go to this install Docker right here and go to the Docker overview. Docker is an open platform for developing, shipping, and running applications. So it's pretty much just a way for us to run applications. Now the cool thing is Docker is built so we can pretty much run any application locally on our machine, just like a Postgres server, and we can ship it to a Windows machine, use the same file, and then actually run the same environment on a Windows machine. That's what makes Docker so amazing. Now in order to get Docker, let's just go here. You can either get it for Mac, I already installed mine, but let me show you. There's a small guide on how to do it right here. Just go and follow that guide step by step. Or you can actually also get it on Windows, of course. So you can also click the Windows one and again follow the guide step by step and you should have it available on Windows. Now when you've installed it, you should actually see a small icon here that kind of explains that you have Docker running. If you don't have that, try and go and see if you forgot to start it. I'll just start mine right here by saying Docker. And hopefully now it'll start up my system. Now, when you've installed Docker, you should actually also have the Compose automatically in there. If we go to Docker Compose, you'll notice that down here, Install Compose on Mac, it says if you have the Docker desktop installed, it includes Compose. And the same with Windows, it includes Compose. So that should be all we had to do to get Docker into our system. And again, we're going to use Docker to launch a local version of a Postgres server. So we can kind of fake that we have a database server running somewhere in the cloud. We're just going to do it locally for faster process right here on our system. So that's what we're going to do next lesson. We're going to start using and creating a way to start working locally with Docker. So that's it for this lesson. See you next time. Bye.